What's good? Chat, what's good? Happy Friday. It's been a while. It's been a while since I was here, so another day, another trading activity, guys. Another day, another trading activity. So if you're here in the chat, let me know. I'll give you guys a shout out. Alright. YouTube. Post ko lang to. YouTube tayo today. Good evening, Dance. Good evening. How are you guys? How is your trading week this week? It's been pretty hard lately. Things are rough. Things are not easy. Parang malabo ngayon ah. Yung stream talaga? Really? Yun, malabo sa akin. Siguro internet, umulan. Umulan today. So maybe the internet is the problem. What do we have here today, chat? What do we have? Let's see. We're trading way below today. Siguro ako for now bearish pa din ako, but I'm being mindful of potential TGIF setup potentially. Okay. I feel like it has a lot of room to the downside. Pero nagiging mindful ako with the TGIF setup. So, yeah, I'm not looking to go longs. For the meantime, I'm more bearish. Short-term retracement siguro, possible we retrace here. Pero, plan ko today, if we do get a 930 bearish for value gap, I would simply enter into that bearish gap. So, yeah, I'm not going to be... Yeah, I'm likely gonna go trade that way. So yeah, how are you, chat? 3TP 1B this week. That's not bad. I had a lot of dumb trades this week, but yeah, looking good on my account still. Nothing crazy. It's not something that I can't come back on. So yeah, just hoping to finish the week strong and not be what do you call this? Not be very greedy. Wait, meron akong mga mga bagong soundboard, so soundboard. Sounds headset. Ayan, okay. Naririnig niyo yung naririnig ko. That's good. That's good, chat. Alright. Sino nandito? Bearish din ako. Next liquidity sa September pa. Ano ma-advise mo sa akin? 6 ako today. 1% na lang. Alam ko, edge ko. Ano ma-advise mo? Up ako ng 6% today. Now, 1% na lang. Alam ko, edge ko. Pero na-violate ko yung own rules. Stop violating your own rules. Honestly, just stop. Just stop violating them. It's simple as that. Stop trading kapag na-violate. Pag alam mo sa sarili mo na mag-overtrade ka, or yeah, things that you would do that are not favorable to you, maybe you should stop. Just stop. Uy, nawala yung chat. Bearish out today. I just want to see us like maybe manipulate higher. Wala tayong news event as far as I know. Ang problem lang lately is yung mga headlines ni Trump, ni Papi Trump, Papi Chulo. Si Papi Chulo has been very decisive lately. So yeah, what? Pwede bang mag-execute ng group trades sa TradingView? No, you can't. Kailangan mo ng external copier. Gusto kong i-trade today is yung GBP eh. Gusto ko tong i-short, but I just don't know how to engage in it. GBP USD, tas long ako on AUD USD, TGIF. Oil right now, nasan si oil? Oil right now is still pushing, chat. Still pushing. I want to see oil retrace sana dito sa hourly for value gaps and then trade higher. Ganun sana yung prefer ko. Can I trade BTC ETH in Apex TF prop? Oh, you can, pero I don't think it's the best asset to trade with. Kung magte-trade ka ng crypto, might as well go for crypto prop firm, wag sa Apex. Nagte-trade ka rin ng personal funds? No, I don't. I don't trade my personal funds. Nag-withdraw ko with personal funds because they banned it. Philippines has banned IBKR, unfortunately. What's your bias today? Follow the trend. I'd like to follow the trend to the downside. Right now, malalayo pa yung mga key levels on the downside. Down here, still very far. So downside ang gusto ko, it's just that, are we going to have a retracement? I'm not sure. Kung magkakaroon tayo ng retracement, ang pinaka-minimum na gusto kong makita is gonna be trade back into this level, tapos drop down kasi this is an hourly for value gap. So yeah, this is a level that I am interested in. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for essentially. Itong hourly for value gap. 30 minutes, what does this look like? Yeah. Ito yung gusto ko makita, hourly for value gap and then drop down. But ES has already taken out significant lows, so maybe magkaroon tayo ng TGIF place. I don't know that, but yeah, so far ako gusto ko yung downside. If we trade below later on, tas nagkaroon tayo ng 930 bearish gap, I think I might enter into a short. And we'll see how is that going to play out. So far, nag-take out tayo ng buy side up here, triple top. So if we do get a trade back down, mamayang market open, maybe I might engage into the short side. So yeah, good luck to you, chat. Hopefully you guys will be able to make some money. Good luck today. Good luck. Good luck. Let's finish the week, hopefully strong one. Not a tilt one. We got... Let's go. Market is open.
Song already was turned, but here's a bill.
Market's open, chat. Market is open. Let's get it on. Pa-sounds tayo, pa-sounds. Para mas hype ang house tech. Pa-sounds tayo, pa-sounds. So we will be hype. Hype on the day. Ano magandang sounds, chat? Give me sound recommendation. 9:30 PM ba ang NY session? Yeah, we just open up actually. We just open up. 9:30 just open up. ES right now is dumping to the downside. Even the YM right now is much weaker, I would say. So you can see ang lakas ng dump ni YM. Quadrants, let's see. Quadrants. Lakas ng dump ni YM right now. Alright, we're starting to dump as well on NQ, but we'll see if this is gonna be sustained or not. Meron pa tayong regular trading hour gap. Just very big, I would say. So maybe retracement into 0.25%. I don't know, but if we do form a bearish gap sa 9:30, I think I might engage the downside. And that, I think, is what I'm gonna do. Market is dumping right now. Perform tayo ng 930 fair value gap. ES is still dumping very hard. $930 FVG up here. We got the first 930 FVG about to be formed. Pag ito na-invert, we're gonna trade higher. Pero for now, mas gagamitin ko to for the short side. I'm willing to take a bet dito. If we retrace up to this level, stop ko is above here. So yeah, let's see if I'm gonna get wrecked. 930 for value gap in here. Still bearish right now itong market na to. Dow is pushing lower, crude oil is pushing higher. Dollar is a bit in consolidation mode. Let's see, are we going to have it or not? Kasi it looks like we're not gonna have it. Based on 930 FVG in ES, we already topped into this gap while NQ didn't. So this could be a potentially an SMT right now. Potentially an SMT up here. Down here pala, down here. Potential SMT. We may not trade into this 930 for value gap anymore kay Nasdaq. Kasi nag-trade na tayo into the ES. So, yeah, we're not, I think we may not have it anymore. But we'll see, we'll see. Yep, we didn't, unfortunately. Trade into this. Wick. Selling is still super good right now. After natin mag-top dito sa triple top, here we just sell off very hard. First 5 minutes is about to close. Good evening, good evening. Good luck, good luck. Good luck, Sun Trade. Good luck, good luck. It's still going lower. This is very strong right now sa downside. It's just keep going lower, chat. It can't stop. It won't stop, chat. But don't FOMO. Do not FOMO. You will get wrecked. For sure. Don't FOMO into this. Unfortunately, no retracement back into the level that I want. Still driving lower. Up to what level? Let's see. Look at the daily. Tingnan natin. Malayo-layo yung next level of liquidity down here. So we got a lot of room to work with right now. We got a lot to work with, chat. Daming key level right now. Is this a short and this for value gap? How many points is this? Let's say another 5 minute. Maybe open high, low, and close a 5 minute. We open, trade above. Pwede rin tayo mag-take out ng high on the ES up here. Trade into this gap one more time. Short pa rin ako right now, even though we're selling off already pretty hard. Short pa din ang bias ko. Wow, that was a quick tap and then dump. Wow. Pretty aggressive, this market. So far, I would say this is a good opening. I would say this is a good delivery compared to the past few days. I would say this is a good delivery so far. I wouldn't complain about it. Tapos na ako, Bo. TP agad. Let's go. GG. GG. Meron akong ano sa'yo. GG. Let's see. I still like the short in here, honestly. Just looking to see if we can get a much deeper retracement. I like the shorts. Guys. I like the shorts. Ayoko nang makitang mag-trade siya back into 930 FVG. Yung ES okay lang sa akin. Na makita siya mag-trade in here. Maybe we trade back into this high. Storm, na paano ka? Nubo yung aso ko. Yung ES gusto ko siya mag-trade above this. Take out this high. So ayoko siya mag-trade dito sa totoo lang. If I'm being honest, I don't want to see it trading above here. But we'll see. Baka magkaroon tayo ng TGIF all of a sudden. We're just gonna wait. Nasdaq just inverted this gap. Short bias still, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed about my bias. Maybe chat, maybe BPR dito potentially. BPR on a 5-minute. Maybe mag-top tayo above this high, trade into this. Oh, we'll see. Lapit na mag-close yung 5. Baka mag-trade tayo into this. Let's see. Abot kaya ito ng 930 FVG? That's what I'm wondering. Uy, nag-tap na tayo into it on the ES. We already tap into the ES, chat. ES. Tap na tayo dito. I'm good for short even if we don't trade above this level anymore. Tap na tayo dito, so it's fine if yung NQ hindi na siya mag-trade up here. I think it can live and not trade into this 930. Yun yung most ideal scenario. If it is really bearish, it should not trade above in here anymore. Alright. Still wants to trade, huh? Dito sa level na to. Big bullish candle right now. Big engulfing candle. Bullish na ba kayo dito, chat? Oh, as far as for me, I still like the short. I'm not yet bullish. Here you go. We top into it, then drop down. Are we going to continue to sell off? Let's see. Even if nag-short ako dito sa 930 FVG, I need to have a bigger stop para mag-work to. Willing ako to take a stab of a base hit in here. If we do trade back again in here, something like this. Ganap ako ng just 10 points. 10 points, gang. 10 points, gang, today. What you want, Skypad? 𝙿𝙤𝙤𝙚 song. Alright, let's do that. What you want? What you want to Skyprod? Sana hindi ako copyright. Mamaya yan. Pag nanalo tayo, hype song. Para meron tayong pampahype. What you want, what you want, what you want. Still going to D. Maganda yung 5-minute BPR up here, chat. We could just sell out from here. And potentially wala akong entry, which is fine. It is what it is. So I'm open to this idea na mag-take ako ng quick base it into this level. Drive into this high one more time. One more time. Yan na. You know. Chot. What you want. Man. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it on. Give me that quick money. Give me that quick money. Give me that, my friend. Let's get it on. Give me that 10 points. I'll be out. I'll be happy. Take my 4K on the day and I will be happy on the day. There you go. Yeah. One more time, right here. Oh no. One more time. Don't you dare to stop me out. One more time. Drop down now. One more time. Oh no. I'm gonna get stopped, chat. It's not looking good, chat. I got greedy. I got too hype. But hey, don't you dare to stop me out. Go down now. Go down now, go down now, go down now. Go down now, go down now, go down now. Let's get it on, let's get it on. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Drop down now. Oh no. Oh god. Oh fuck no. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Drop down now, drop down now, drop down now. Still going in my favor. It's going down, going down, going down. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Oh no no, oh no no. Oh no no. Oh no no, oh no no, oh no no. Do it now, do it now, do it now. It's going down, going down, going down. Going down, going down, going down. Oh damn! Oh shit! Oh fuck! It's going down, going down, going down. Going down, going down.
Song already was turned, but here's a bell.
Fuck! Fuck! Oh damn! Oh shit! Fuck! Fuck! I got greedy, chat. I got greedy. I got greedy, chat. I got greedy, chat. I got greedy. But it's all good. It's all good. It is what it is. I got greedy, chat. I got greedy. I got greedy, chat. Fuck me, chat. Fuck. Fuck that, chat. I still think it's gonna go down. We got this 5-minute BPR. I do believe we're gonna go down. It's just that unfortunate. I got wrecked before it's gonna go down, but I do believe this is gonna go down, chat. I do believe this is gonna go down. No cap, chat. No cap. I think it's gonna go down. There you go. Look at 5 minutes. We're still trading into this. To this level. So, yeah. I think we're gonna go down for the most part. But yeah, we'll see. Let's wait. Let's wait. Oh god, no. Don't you dare. I got top tick. I got top tick and now... Oh, this is gonna be painful, chat. If it drops down now, this is gonna be so painful. It's gonna be painful, chat, to see this. Kapag ito nag-dump all the way down. All the way to new lows, chat. It's gonna be very unfortunate. Damn, that was brutal, chat. That was brutal. Fuck. It's all good. I got top take. Gusto ko yung 5 minute. I feel like I should have widened my stop. Kasi ako nag-widen ako ng stop. That would have been good. Problem is, I got my stop too tight. Unfortunately, that nag-stop na lang ako above this high. Above this high. Unfortunately, na-stop out ako doon and it went down freaking 100 points. Freaking 100 points, chat. Freaking 100 points. 66 lang, sorry. But yeah, I still believe it's gonna go down. Ganda ng 5-minute BPR. I love BPRs. 5 minutes BPR level. It's a good level. Nagkaroon din tayo ng sweep here. So, I think the best thing to do here was put a stop above this high instead of being too tight. I was hopeful, chat. I was hopeful in that trade. It actually worked. It's just very annoying for sure. Very annoying that happened, unfortunately. It's annoying, but hey, it is what it is. We live to fight. One more. Sayang, early ng ilang points. Na-hype sa kanta chat. Na-hype sa what you want. What you want, what you want, what you want. Unfortunately, I got stopped. Where would I don't know. Yeah, in hindsight, widen my stop would have been the best thing to do there. Targetin ko to. Pero actually kasi gusto ko lang naman is mag-trade siya back into this eh. More likely, pag nag-trade to dito, ma-out na ako or break even. Then, let it ride. I don't know. It is what it is. It is what it is, chat. It is what it is. There you go. We just took the low. Just like that. Freaking crazy. Freaking crazy to think about it. Just annoying for sure. But hey, it is what it is. Pag nag-retrace, eto. Saan ako mag-enter again? Man, that is annoying. Fuck. Bro, allowed ba third-party purchase kay Apex? What do you mean third-party? I've been watching you since collab nyo ni Mentor Neil. Now, hindi pa din ako profitable. Hindi ko pa rin nakukuha first payout ko. Damn, sorry to hear that. Hindi OB yun? Patap? It's actually OB, like bearish 5-minute. Ito, this is an order block. Right? Pero ako kasi gusto ko lang mag-sell here above this candle high and then have a bit of a tight stop and then ride it lower. Ayoko na siya makita mag-trade all the way up here. Siguro hindsight, stop should have been above this para dito sa OB na to just in case I got stopped, you know. Yeah, in hindsight, dito ako naglagay ng stop. Tapos we got this volume imbalance. This is also 830 level, 830 open. Itong level na to, so it's a good timing aspect na level. So it is what it is. I'm only down so far ng 3.5 points. But yeah, it sucks. I wasn't able to participate in this potential home run trade. What you want, what you want. It could have been such a beautiful day na sana, no? Beautiful day. What you want, what you want, what you want. Still going. Correct about the bias, it's just that I got too much of a tight stop today. There you go. We trade up, then we drop down. Problema ko yan eh, habol pa rin. Yeah, no. You will get wrecked if you try to chase it. Kailangan mag-make sense yung structure before you try to engage again. Because you will get wrecked if you just do what you want to do. You will pay the price, chat. You will pay the price. Even if, like, in honesty, even if I was in this position, most probably take profit ko is gonna be here. So it's just gonna be like 15 points. Still going to the downside. Freaking crazy. Like, good price action today. I would rate this price action today A+. A+. I should have just shorted here, BPR, tapos stop above here. In hindsight, yun yung the best thing to do here today. Sell here, stop here, then trade it lower. That was the best play today. Fortunately, I missed it. I got too hype, chat. I got too hype. Ang bilis din ng delivery, which is okay lang. Just fine. Minsan, di ka talaga bibigyan ng chance to re-enter kapag nag-start na siyang mag-expand. It happens. It is what it is. Come here, doggy. Do, 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 do. Still trading, it's a downside. Do, 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 do. Meron ka pang iti-trade ngayon, sir? Yeah, I'm not done yet. I'm down 3 points on the day, so it's not like I can't come back from it. I'm still okay mentally. I'm not in a shape or form having a FOMO in this move. It's just another day in the business. Di ako na FOMO in this move. I know there will be another setup. You just have to wait kasi you need a good structure when you're trading, not just blindly trading a level. Trade tayo dito sa 1 hour order block and then, ooh, dump down. Lods, ano pwede gamitin mode of payment sa pagbili ng account kay Apex? Debit card or credit card. Some people use Maya, some GCash card. Be, huwag ka magulo. Nahihirapan na si Daddy. Alam mo naman eh. The trade lads. Do 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 do. Oh, 10 o'clock candle, there you go. New 4-hour opening. Good 4-hour expansion so far. SMT, 10 o'clock. Ayoko lang mag-catch ng bottom because wala tayong PD array dito na pwedeng i-reference. Walang PD array na good reference, so that's the only thing I would say na mahirap dito if you're trying to long. Look at this trend right now. Kung maglo-long ka dito, it's gonna be very sketchy because you're trading against the trend. You're trading against the trend if you try to go long in here.
Order filled.
What the fuck is that? The fuck is that, chat? Order field. We're crazy. I don't want to order. Fuck. Ayan. Order field. I don't want to trade. The fuck. Galing yan. Freaking crazy. Let's just wait, chat. Let's just wait. Gawa naman ng tutorial paano step by step sa pagbili ng account kung ano pwedeng gamitin. I mean, it's actually so easy. Para ka lang nag-sign up so sa iba-ibang program. Like, you can literally just read the instruction and you can pay for an account or search ka sa FAQ. It's basically debit or credit. Sarap niyan. Sana may 90% off eval sabay may CPI pa. Parang 85% off na lang eh. Hindi na 90% off lately. Pansin ko lang. Parang hindi na 90% off lately. What's happening? What's happening with my charts? Ano nangyayari sa chart ko? What? Big candles, big consolidation candles at the moment, chat. Big consolidation candles. Ganda ng damit ng Uniqlo, chat. Look at it. 3 of my favorite Pokemon starter brings back old memories. Naglaro ba kayo ng Game Boy? It's one of the best. Fire Red, Leaf Green. One of the best Pokemon gameplay out there. Pag napasa mo yung challenge, walang payout yon. It's just going to be converted into funded account. That's all it is. Mako-convert yun sa funded. Sa funded stage lang eligible for a payout. So evaluation and then get funded. Yung mga yan, meron na akong video like how it works sa YouTube ko if you go through the playlist. Tuwing kailan ka nagla-live? Twice a week sa YouTube, 3 times a week sa Discord ko, sa private community. We're still going sa downside. Parang bearish order block ang trip kong hanapin na entry. Kapag patuloy ito nag-trend to the downside, bearish OB ang hahanapin ko. May possibility rin tayo mag-create ng 15-minute gap up here. Tingnan natin, chat. Ilan nag-consolidate yung market? Side to side. Every oh. Jabby, oh. 86. I tried to show. Two. How much para makapag-request ng payout sa 50k? 52,600 ang minimum balance requirement. Meron bang straight to funded sa Apex? Wala. You need to go through eval. Got my pass. Let's go. Ace. GG. Hindi, mali yan. Mali. Ito na lang.
I think downside is the right move, but it's like very limited. Like we won't have that much after that. There's that drive. Guys, is this something that you think is longable, or is there one more jab through it? No way am I gonna join short now. We're getting a good reaction here. Is it good enough for me to jab at it, guys? Maybe do an ES. I am in the trade. Stop at the low. This is like going aggressive though. One more push. Just one more push. You know you want to. But play, and there we go.
Still going to the downside. How much payout ko per month? I don't know. It depends. Depends on the market, really. How specific payout per month na nakukuha. It's all fugazi. Anong reason ba't naka-open ang ES at NQ side by side? SMT. A lot of my trading has to do with SMT. Para makita ko ano yung asset na malakas, ano yung asset na mahina. They should be moving in tandem. Dapat pareho sila ng wrong trades. Code drone. Pareho sila dapat ng move. They should be moving in tandem. In ideal world. Pag nag-retrace tayo dito, I think we're gonna trade back into this opening. Itong gap. Pag nag-trade tayo higher, this will be the next draw. Itong gap sa upside na to. For now, there's no reason to be shorting, really. To be longing. Wala tayong PD array to reference here. Structure-wise, bearish pa din yung market. Anong pinapanood ko? Si Brian Stonk. Nakita ko yung short form video niya. Brian Stonk is stonky. Meron tayong tight consolidation right now. Very tight consolidation. Ayan na, breakout. Mga breakout trader, it's time to long. Paano ka nag-handle ng drawdown? Just handle it. Take it like a man. Stop trading. It is what it is. Pag na-drawdown ka, it is what it is. Just accept the fact na you're gonna experience drawdown. More than 50% of the time, I'm wrong. I get it wrong more than 50% of the time. Think about it. I'm wrong more than 50% of the time. So, 50% of the time, mali ako sa stream. J.Cap, yung nakakuha ng biggest payout with Apex. Nakakuha siya ng biggest payout with 30% win rate. Think about it. 30% yung win rate niya. And he made it happen. 60k ka na old for March payout, no? Allegedly. Allegedly, chat. It's all fugazi. It's all fugazi. You can't be telling people on YouTube how much you make. Allegedly. I make a lot of fake money, chat. Fake money. Harap ng granola. Tataba ako dito. Taas ng calorie. Yeah, sa link lang ako kumikita, chat. Link, baby. Help me get rich. Gamitin niyo yung code ko so I make $2 every time you purchase an account. So that helps me a lot, chat. Use my code so I can get rich. Tayong IFVG right now. Still watching your videos after nung list kay mentor nila the cake. Oh, okay. Sana bumalik si mentor nil no, maging active siya sa trading ulit. Kaso yung time zone niya medyo mahirap eh. Two years na ako nagka-grind sa YouTube since umalis siya. It's been 2 years, chat. 2 years grind. Mas mataas pa rin yung subs niya sa akin. Mabagal ako kumuha ng subs. Mainly because yung mga content ko hindi maganda. I just do what I like. Buti di ka na napipikon. Remember dati na apektuhan ka nung bago ba ako na streaming. It's all drama, chat. It's all drama. Pero yeah, it does affect me. It does affect me, chat. It does. I would be lying if not, right? Mahirap nag-i-stream tas nagtitrade ka live because you tend to do things that you don't normally do. LARPing content. Yeah, but yeah, I'm here on YouTube to make money, chat. Aside from I love streaming, totoo, gusto ko talaga nag-i-stream. Pero I like making money more. Kaya, yeah, I just farm content whenever I can. Drama ba yan? I mean, any views is a good view. Like, study other people. They're doing it for clout, for drama, and they make money. Panoorin niyo yung panoorin niyo yung sa Netflix. Kutsa, nasa dulo na ng dila ko. Yung Nano ba? Girl from Nowhere. Merong episode doon about hater. Reflects the real life of the world. Yung hater, panoorin nyo. Wala na din pandemic kasi Lods, crypto nag-boom. Yeah, I actually, yeah, you're right. I think part of it kaya sobrang ni Mentor Neil back then was because of the crypto pandemic era. Pandemic era. Mag-artista ka na lang on fixing acting mo na if you have a basher, it means tama ang ginagawa mo. Coach yung mga basher kasi hindi nila matanggap na may mas magaling sa kanila, may open. Yeah. It happens. What would I do here now? Slow grinds upside. What you want, what you want, what you want. Rate ng equal high tong dollar, tas bigla. Bearish pa din ako on NQ, nothing has changed. Tingin mo nag-work sa NQ, MES ang pag-trade ng other strategy? What do you mean? Pag-trade ng other strategy? Hindi na nagtitrade si 𝙿𝙞𝙣𝙗? I think nagtitrade pa rin siya, low-key lang. Anong masasabi mo sa brownout sa April, Lods? Di ko man alam yan, ngayon ko lang narinig yan. X-Fafo, I think all strategy work. It's how you implement them. How they work in your favor. How do you like to be using them? They do all the work. What you want, what you want, what you want. Aray. Waiting game, chat. Waiting game. Lagay ko magte-trade dito ang AUD USD, tapos magte-trade upside. Slow grind sa upside right now. Not doing anything crazy. Forex ka ba dati? Nag-ship ka sa futures? Yep. But I still do trade Forex. Trade pa din ako ng Forex. Hindi ko lang pinapakita. Mostly higher time frame ako nag-trade sa Forex. Bakit?
Bakit ako?
Bakit?
Si Storm kakastay ni King. Oo nga. Biglang nakapasok si King dun sa Tapos nakaupo sa floor si Lennon. Dun si Lennon. Tapos si nanay kasi, binuksan niya yung pinto, yung ng pinto kay Jen.
Oh.
Tapos, si King nakapasok doon sa ilalim niya pa. Tapos doon si Storm. Kakastahin siya agad ni King. Tapos buti na lang, ginanto nila na. Habang nakaupo sila.
Nag-work si Lennon dyan? Oo, matutulog lang siya.
Ganyan na yung
Para lumaki.
Tapos sigaw ako, sabi ko, ay, kiss parang baboy!
Oh man, what are we gonna do here?
Kakastay ng baboy.
What are we gonna do?
Manahimik ka na dyan, Beo.
Just waiting, chat. Just waiting. It's not the best right now. Kanina market open. We had a good move. Good to the downside. Good retracement as well. Coach, pwede pa explain while waiting sa setup mo CFD and futures? What do you mean? Pag futures, nagtitrade ako New York session. Pag Forex, pwede ka mag-trade ng London. Pero very rare lang ako mag-trade ng Forex. Siguro 2 times a week. Katulad this week, wala man ako trade sa Forex. I would say 2 or 3 times a week lang ako mag-trade ng Forex. Nagtitrade lang ako sa higher time frame like 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. Ooh, we're jumping down again. Ayoko yung long dito. Kasi nga yung structure, hindi ko gusto. So in short, but at the same time, gusto ko na magandang invalidation. Na confident ako. Anong pinag-ayaw ng futures sa CFD? Futures is centralized. Hindi iba-iba yung price feed ng broker. Yun yung main difference. Yung nakikita mo sa 1 minute sa futures, pare-pareho ang buong mundo. Sa Forex, hindi. Iba-iba ang candlestick, iba-iba ang price. Pero hindi mo mafe-feel ang difference kung nagtitrade ka sa higher time frame. Pero ang 1 minute mafe-feel mo. Sa futures, kahit mag-trade ka ng 15 seconds, 30 seconds, we're all trading the same price. Tas in terms of rules, malaki ang difference. 1 step sa futures, sa Forex 2 steps. Tsaka static sa Forex, sa futures trailing. Medyo mahirap ang drawdown sa futures, mahirap ang drawdown mechanics. Kailangan consistent ka. Pero nakakatulong yung walang spread. Yeah, yun din pala. Walang halos spread sa futures. May spread pero hindi visible katulad sa Forex. Sa Forex, ramdam na ramdam mo yung spread. Sa futures, almost no spread. Usually 1 tick lang. What you want, what you want, what you want. Oh, man. What you want, what you want, what you want. Solid. Lowest na naman ang dollar sa peso. New low on the dollar, chat. New low. Di ganun kaganda ang delivery up here. Mabagal na naman ang PA kumpara mo kanina na napakabilis ng volume. Ngayon mabagal para sa akin. Meron tayo ng another SMT here. Dito sa level na to between ES and NQ. So nagkaroon tayong displacement. This could be a short pero I'm not willing to take a short down here. Possible to short. I just don't like it overall. Pero pwede itong mag-work. SMT up here. Dito between ES and NQ. It's displacement for value gap. Pero personally, hindi ko gusto kung gaano tayo kabagal ngayon. Could work, but just don't like it. Don't like it. Kung saan ang ano eh. Nag-trade ba tayo? I guess yeah, we did trade into this gap. So for value gap na to sa 1 minute. Ng very, one tick. I think one tick above. Then nagkaroon tayong SMT. But I feel like that wasn't enough. It's almost like an equal high. Parang equal high dito. Pero bearish pa din ako dito sa market na to. Nothing has changed. Ganda ng PA today. Yeah, I agree. Super ganda ng PA today. I'm not gonna complain about today's price action. Fortunately, I got top tick. I got top tick, chat, in here. Tapos nag-dump. Whee! Super tight yung stop ko. Super tight. Anong oras na? 10:28. What you want, what you want, what you want? Still going lower. 10:13, yung 15-minute candle. Tayong 30 minutes FVG up here. Sino gumagamit ng 30 minutes time frame sa inyo, chat? $30 time frame. Shadow kasi malaki itong 5 minutes of VG na to. Hindi ko sure hanggang saan siya magre-retrace dito. Even if I like shorts in here, sobrang laki ng inefficiency na to. I don't know until what level siya magre-retrace. Boss, on 50k, what's the ideal race on eval and funded phase? It's up to you. For me personally, gusto ko siyang i-break down into 10 trades. So that would be like $200 risk per trade. Meron bang Apex na walang activation fee? Wala. Lahat merong activation fee. Unfortunately, lahat may activation fee. AUD. Oh. I have a feeling na si AUD yung low of the day niya is set. I have a feeling, chat. Low of day ni AUD is set. Though wala ng volume ng gantong oras, but I have a good feeling. Good feeling. Good feeling. What you want, what you want, what you want. Kailan ulit 90% off the Apex? I don't know. Maybe next month. Maybe sa Monday. Maybe Monday. Bagal ng PA. So slow, man. Tingin ko abot pa rin to hanggang dito. Sa mga alerts. 100 points lower pa ang tinitignan ko dito. Tinitingnan ko yung possibility na mag-retrace siya ulit dito sa 30 minutes FVG. Tapos mag-dump from here. Valid din yung 1 hour. Kapag nag-close tayo ng ganito, mag-trade tayo into this 1 hour gap. So mag-drop tayo later. Possible 11 to 12. Create tayo ng 1 hour FVG here. Tapos mamayang 11 to 12. Retrace tayo dito. Tapos the rest of the day, dump. Isa yan sa mga possibility. Pwedeng dito ngayon mag-chop muna tayo. Which is why I'm not interested. Just based on how slow we are trading in here. Pag nagtitrade ka ng 1 minute, typically kailangan mo ng good volatility. What you want, what you want, what you want. Boring. Boring PA right now. Man, what am I gonna do? What you want, what you want, what you want. Tuloy pa rin tayo nagda-dump, no? Bearish level are being respected, pero I don't like the fact na we're just consolidating towards this external draw. Yung dito 5 minutes FVG, tapos we got 1 minute displacement, 1 minute FVG. So we got another here. It's just I don't like the way we're delivering. It's very slow. Even if this could work, ang bagal ng delivery. Usually, ayoko yung mga ganyang trade. I want something like this. Right? Fast delivery. Tingnan mo yung 5, consolidation. 15, not very good, I would say. Yung wicks, the market, they're not the best sa 15 minutes. Ito lang yung expansion sa 15 minutes, as nag-consolidate lang tayo. We need Trump news on a Friday. Trump news Trump headlines. Crypto right now. Tingnan natin state ng crypto. Gusto ko makita yung Ethereum na umabot ng ano, chat. I wanna see Ethereum at 1413 dito sa equal low. I'm gonna buy a lot at 13 tas potentially 800. DCA ko is 13 sa crypto. 13, 1312 tapos 800 sa ETH. Gusto kong makita itong mag-trade dito sa double bottom. Look at the weekly level. Weekly fair value gap, right? We got this weekly fair value gap. Tapos nag-form tayo ng swing high. I think 4 hour is gonna be good. Tingin ko sa crypto ito yung tingin ko mangyayari sa crypto. I think we're gonna trade next week. Next week dito. It's either this or this. Yan. It's either of these two. I would say kapag nag-trade pa tayo all the way up here, medyo invalidated yung idea. But if we do trade in here, stop I would say above here. Tas, sa tingin ko aabot to hanggang 1.7. Tas bonus kung aabot to hanggang 1.4. Might actually take this. Meron akong pera sa Bybit. Baka i-take ko to if next week. Maglagay akong swing position short Ethereum next week. Looking good yung higher time frame ng crypto. Alright, we're dumping on the NQ. We're dumping right now. Good dump, good dump. From this level, nag-move siya ng 100 points. How do you scalp aggressively? Do you have video explaining it? You can watch all the videos how I do it. But usually 10 points is what I look for. I go break even early. Pag nag-i-scalp ako na aggressively. I can do it that way kasi sa futures walang spread. We're all trading the same price, so it's fair. It's a fair play. Hindi ka ma-stop out because of spread. Crude oil, solid. Just trading higher. Again, not good sa Pilipinas. Not good for Philippines, chat. We're back at Monday's market open. Not good for the Philippines. Imagine, aabot ng 152 per barrel. We're cooked, chat. We're cooked. All-time high. Ano ba yung all-time high nito? All-time high nito was back in 2008. So, 146. Crazy. COVID, nag-negative. Nag-negative yung oil ng COVID. Ito pa lang yung asset na nakita ko negative yung price. Kaya ngayon, sobrang aggressive nila chat. Sobrang aggressive nila with price hike. Kasi if you look at the chart, during COVID, nag-negative ang crude oil. Right? Nag-negative siya. So, they were holding oil and they are in negative. So, they are forced to pay those stocks na meron sila kasi may reserve, anong tawag ba yan? Well, may binabayad sila para lang mga reserve nila yung oil ng maganda sa mga stock rooms. May pera ka ba sa crypto? Oh no, I don't have money, chat. I'm broke. I'm broke, chat. Just decent. Pangkain. Pangkain sa restaurant. Just decent amount. Boss, kilala mo si Shun sa Kamoto. Nakikita ko sila. Hindi ko sila personally kilala, pero nakikita ko sa feed. FYP. For you page. So what am I gonna do here? It's very slow. Wala akong good draw on liquidity. Holy Week meron kaya? Next sale ni Apex, I would say Monday. Just wait until Monday meron yan. Just be patient, guys. Kapag may sale, bili lang kayo ng bili, chat, okay? Pag may sale, just buy what you can afford. Man, what am I gonna do? How's your week? Doing good. Doing good. Yeah, doing good. Not bad. For the week, I am down $200, I think, per account. Yeah, $200 per account for the week. Nabawi ko na sana kanina if I was able to join in here, but it's annoying na top tick ako. In hindsight, that naglagay ako micro, tapos twice the stop. Yun dapat yung ginawa ko, micro and then hold it. Pero yeah, I don't regret it. It is what it is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you get lucky. So yeah, just letting the time play out. I've been trading this since November, itong mga account na to. Mga December, itong mga 150k. Bili sana ako ng eval. Walang discount. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Just be patient, magkakaroon din ng sale. Wait lang kayo, just wait. We'll eventually be there. Chat, next week, I'm gonna short the Ethereum, just so you know. Next week is a short ko to, freaking Ethereum. Thing I'm willing to put on $1,000 risk. $1,000 risk on one trade. Sa live account ko sa crypto. Just be a good bet. Good bet, good bet. Magpa-place ako ng crypto trade after how many years? It's been a while. Something like this, tas bonus na lang pag umabot to dito. Paldogs. Dito sa double bottom. Maganda yung weekly time frame ni Ganda ng weekly level ng ES pati BTC. Be very interesting next week. Ano na gagawin ko dito, chat? Give me some signal, chat. Give me some signal. Anong dapat kong gawin? Right here. Give me some signal, chats. Hard more for me this week. Hirap ako sa price action. Mahirap talaga actually. The past 4 days, yung New York session has been one of the worst PA. Ngayon, isa siya sa mga maganda. Friday has been good today. May hold ka pang 𝙿𝙞𝙣𝙙. Yes, unfortunately, I think I'm down 80% sa Cardano right now. 80 or 70%, unfortunately. How many points do you usually take? Usually 10. I would just go for 10. It depends. Sometimes I would hold for a runner. Depends sa our time frame structure. Depends on Biction. But a lot of the time, I'm just building buffers, taking base hits. A lot of the times, that's what I do. Just building buffer, taking base hits. Itong dollar, tingin ko abot to hanggang dito next week. Dito, buy side. Laki ng daily candles ng dollar. What you want, what you want, what you want. Basta ang basa ko, okay. Pag di siya tataas, di siya bababa. Wednesday, best waves I've seen this year. Really? Anong session? New York? New York session this year? That's pretty crazy. Wednesday? I feel like it was a dog shit. New York session, I don't think it's the best I've seen. It was decent, yeah. It is decent. Pero, yeah, I don't like it. Personally, don't like it. Mas gusto ko yung ngayon, out of all this week. Yung ngayon na stand out for me. Daming headlines ng Wednesday as far as I know. Freelance ba work mo dati, boss? Yes, freelance. Pre-match dancer. Pre-match dancer. Yeah. Do you risk 2 to 5 minutes? No, just one. It's kind of crazy to do 2 to 5. I know niche trading. For my strat, it was the best. Yeah, nice. Yeah, do what works for you guys always. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Kahit na ako, huwag kayong maniniwala sa akin. I'm just a guy here on YouTube. Don't listen to whatever I say. Tatrabaho ka ba sa Grab delivery? Tatrabaho ako on YouTube to put you on timeout, baby. Timeout. Timeout ka muna. Fa. Timeout ka muna, kapatid. Timeout. Trabaho sa Grab, sa YouTube. Put user in timeout 24 hours. All right, we're pushing higher. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Going to dump just like that? Just like that? Are we going to dump? Push higher after we took out the low. Trading, Cat. I work for prop firms. I've been supported with multiple prop firms. Hindi nyo pala narinig yung careless whisper kanina. Kaya pala sumasayaw, walang tumatawa. Hindi nyo pala narinig yung careless whisper. Ang awkward dun, chat. That was awkward. All right, we're having a good volatility. It's time for me to lock in this chat, because market is moving. I need to lock in right now, chat. We just created a bullish 5-minute gap, 5-minute OB after we swept a low. Personally, I'm not going to be longing here just because I think the market is poised to go lower. They are interested to take longs even though we swap a liquidity. Still like the shorts. Wait lang, ihilang ako. Need to lock in. May tao sa banyo. May tao sa banyo, chat. May tao sa banyo. How much is 1 mini 10 points in profits? $200 minus commission is 196. What's your confirmation candle, bro? I buy when the candle is red. I sell when the candle is green. Something like that. I sell when the market is going against me. I buy when the market is moving against me. Yun yung candle confirmation ko. I don't buy breakouts. I rarely enter market order as well. Madalas limit. We're having a good volatility, chat. I like short still. I still like the shorts. But you risk an eval 2 to 6 minis. Yeah, on eval, yeah. I would say 2 trades. I'm done on evals. How's your week? Good, good. Not bad. I'm red overall, I think. Down ako ng $200 or 3 on this week. Let's see. Let's look at my TradeZilla. Maybe I'm not. Let's see, let's see. Mamaya na lang pala, I have to focus. I need to lock in, chat. I need to lock in. Yeah, I'm not down this week. 18K ako on Monday. Up ako ng 9K. I just said down ako ng 300 kasi yung 150K account ko down sila ng 300. The other account were up. So up ako ng 90K across 20 accounts right now. Tapos yung ngayon hindi pa siya nagre-reflect. Ano mangyayari dito? I wonder if marerek ako if I try to go long dito sa 5 minutes FVG for a base hit trade. 85, 75. I can try it. Short bias ko, but I feel like it can hold. Tong 5 might take this 10-point stop. Something like this, buy here, then take a 10 points trade. Papaiya. May tao ba sa Banyo Lab? Wala siya. Kala ko siya yung pumasok. Baka siya nasa CR. Sir, any tips pag morning trades? Maliban sa gold, sobrang dami ng talo. Ano morning? Asia? Di ako nagtitrade ng Asia. Di ako nagtitrade ng Asia, chat. Gusto ko yung volatility na meron tayo since 1046. What's your life besides trading? Mostly family now. Don't have friends yet. Don't have friends. Mostly family. Mostly grinding on YouTube. Focusing on trying to make some traditional business. Yeah, spending with family. Then thinking of content. Creating stuff for private Discord. Then yeah, just chilling, gym. Naka 23 account na ako, wala pa rin pumasa. Damn, that's brutal, bro. 23 account, wala ka pa napasa? I think that's more of a risk management, in my opinion, or revenge trading. Grabe yan, 23 wala ka napasa kahit isa, kahit swerte lang sana. Usually ako pag evals to ano lang, usually 2 trades, 3 trades. Pero kung ganyan, ako advice ko, just pause, just trade your normal strategy. Maybe mag-risk ka $400 per trade. So meron kang essentially 5 trade bago ma-blow yung account. Then just focus on your strategy. CPI, yeah, you could also use method ng trading news, pero that's just gamble. The thing is, if you can't pass the account normally, hindi ka rin makakuha ng payout. There's no point, right? Kailangan mapasa mo muna yung account, ma-prove mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong pasa yung account using normal risk management. Kasi kung hindi mo kayang ipasa yung account with normal risk management, you cannot expect to make money on funded account. Mas mahirap ang mag-trade ng funded account. Imagine kung natagalan ka sa kung natagalan ka sa eval, what more yung emotion mo. Kung emotional ka ngayon sa eval, mas magiging emotional ka sa funded. Second account ko na, bro, down na ako 1K, 2K lang limit. Ilan usually risk mo? 200. Guys, here's the general rule, right? Kung never ka pa naka-experience ng payout, trade the eval account seriously as if it is a funded account. Mag-risk ka between 200 to 300. The only time na magre-risk ka aggressively is when kapag malapit na mag-expire yung account dahil yung expiration date. Hirap talagang kontrolin ng emotion. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, Rain, nung akong nag-i-eval, umaabot sa akin at most 3 weeks yung eval ko. Huwag kayong magte-trade huwag niyong igagamble yung mga eval nyo if never kayo na-experience ng payout. Kasi, I'm telling you right now, like, kung sa eval pa lang, bagsak na yung risk management mo, mas mahihirapan ka on PA account. Puro muntikan lang, pinaka-inabot ko 2.5. I see, yeah. Yeah, gaya ng sabi ko, hindi ko rin kasi alam anong strategy mo, so hindi ko rin alam if yung mga talo mo were because of emotion, kung nagtitrade ka lang for the sake of trading. You can see, right? Ako, na-miss out ko tong buong move na to. This could have been a lot of money. Pero wala akong na-experience na FOMO doon just because I know in the long term, if I just stick to it long enough, it's gonna work. Like, tinitingnan ko lang tong calendar ko. Okay, meron akong 40% win rate. I'm gonna be wrong more than 50% of the time. So, ang risk to reward ko is 1.66. I just have to keep trading them, right? Kailangan kong siyang tingnan on a day-to-day basis or on a month-to-month basis, week to week. I'm gonna have red days and that's okay. Diba? Tinitrade ko tong account na to since December. December ko was one of the worst. Tingnan nyo, 3 weeks red ako and I ended up being up 1.5k. Dahil sa week 4, isang trade. Right? So, this January, week 4 was worse, pero I was able to make it back because I just have to keep trading it. Hindi ko inayaan na matilt ako or what. You're gonna have break-even week, you're gonna have good week. So this month, in particular February, 83k, right? Meron akong week 3, napakaganda. Then, this March, I have a good week 2. Week 3 wasn't so good. Down ako, break even, commission to, I would say. Then week 4, yeah, just taking it day by day, right? This could have been a solid trade, pero tinitingnan ko yung long term. It moved up, hindi ako na-feel, and that's okay. You will see another trade. If wala na akong makitang trade today, I'm just gonna call it a day. How did you overcome psychology? I would say, once you start making payouts, yung financial situation mo is gonna get a lot better. Kasi ang problem is, when you have too many bills, it's like trading habang merong sumasakal sa'yo. Right? When you have constraint, kapag merong mga nag-hold back sa'yo financially, you're gonna be emotionally driven individual sa mga trades mo. Kasi if you're taking risk, let's say you're someone who has a family na kailangan mag-provide ng electric bill, you have a child na umaasa sa'yo sa pangkain, when you're going into the market, when you're taking risks, you're essentially taking those risks of not being able to pay the bill, not being able to feed your child or whoever, right? I think that's the major constraint sa mga trader is the bills they have to pay. And if you're coming into that position, mahirap ang trading. Like, it's so hard. Ako, I just compounded my profits, never scaled my lifestyle, and essentially, ang dami kong buffer. Like, even if I've blown 200 accounts right now na walang payout, let's say this is gonna be my last payout for the year, I'm gonna be set. I'm gonna be good. Right? I'm gonna be okay. Kaya kailangan nyo umanap ng mga trabaho na sustainable yung income. So, go find an income. Don't scale your lifestyle. Tapos, reinvest in your trading. Nung nag-trade ako, like, I think 50% ng income ko is coming from challenges. Meron akong set na budget. And ngayon, dumating ako sa point na hindi ko kailangan, kumbaga, house money ang ginagamit ko. Lahat ng pinambabayad ko ng challenge are coming from the firm themselves. Thank you, Iron. Got my first payout. Learning from you. Let's go, Myron. GG, GG. Ay, hindi, mali.
Song already was turned, but here's a bell. Every night I know it's rich as hell. I live for it, and I feel like damn.
Yan yung pressure ko right now. Ang hirap. Yeah, it's hard. I think the way to combat that is kung nasa gantong sitwasyon kayo. Kasi ako, hindi ako parent personally. So, I feel like I'm not in this position to be saying it. Pero when it comes to pressure, I would say just trade the smallest account size you can trade with. Kung ako, masasuggest ko mag-CFD, 5K account. That's like, yung 5K account na yon is only like $20. Then, pasa mo siya within 2 to 3 months or even 4. 2-step account. And then, pag napasa mo yung eval, napasa mo yung funded account, magiging confident ka in your ability to take bigger challenges. Once nakakuha ka ng 100K account, tas nakapasa ka, nakakuha ka ng 1 to 2% payout, then, yeah, it's a matter of scaling from there. So, not upgrading your lifestyle to the point na babalik ka ulit from zero. Can you give sauce on your thoughts process? thought process. So the way I trade, here's the way I trade. A lot of the time, the market don't make sense to me. 90% of the time, I don't know where the market is going. And when that happens, it's okay. It's okay na hindi mo alam. And you have to be okay with that and not do anything. Then when the market makes sense to you, you should not be afraid. Your main focus is executing and managing your risk. So pag hindi nagme-make sense sa yung market, like to me, hindi nagme-make sense yung market in here. In this level, in this level, in this level, it doesn't make sense to me. So I just have to wait. Kaya ako, alam ko when I'm about to take a trade. Mafe-feel mo yun eh. Mafe-feel mo yung, oh shit, this is a setup. Alam mo yung, pag meron kang experience, you know what works for you. Pag hindi mo alam, just sit still. Don't do anything. Anong prop firm mo sa CFD? Anything you can think of. Lahat ng top firm. I don't trade with, yeah, not well known. Just, yeah, think about it. I trade lahat ng big firm that you can think of. Di ka matatakot talaga mag-risk kung wala kang inaalala. Nasubok ka lang ng subok. Yeah. Luckily, I was at the age na I'm willing to take a risk. If I traded like at the age of 30, 32, tas may anak na ako, it would be a lot harder for me for sure. Tapos scale your income outside of trading as well, chat. Like, huwag kayong umasa sa trading alone. Try your best. Try your best, right? Pwede kayong mag-create ng content. People who create content, like even if hindi kayo profitable, you don't have to make a content based on teaching people, right? Pwede kang gumawa ng content just showing your journey. Like, maging transparent ka lang. Like, tell people na maybe gawa ka ng Instagram, maybe you're a mom, maybe you're a dad. Sasabihin mo, day in the life as a single mom, single dad, I don't know. Trying to make a living out of trading. Tas, document mo lang yon and people are gonna support you. People who you don't know are gonna help you. And eventually, from those content, maraming magko-comment and they are in the same boat as you. Tapos kapag, when you get following, when you get likes, you can get partnership sa mga prop firm. They would give you free 50K, free 100K. Tapos anyone who supports you, who will use your link, you'll get money from that. So essentially, yung ginawa mo sa social media, it turns into a free challenge. Iba pala prop firm sa Apex sa funded next, mas strict sa funded next na tinake ko. May funded next CFD, may funded next futures. So yeah, iba-iba talaga. Guys, when it comes to prop firm, I've seen it all. Just assume I did it all. There are just things that I don't say in my live stream. I'm a partner with Apex. I don't promote other firms, but whatever you have in mind, right? I have tried it all. And there are people na mas privileged sa mga information, those people in my Discord. Hey Ron, paano mo na-hold yung position? I mean, ito yung struggle ko right now. Alam ko naman na maganda yung position ko, pero agad ko na-exit. Mataas ang risk mo. If you're exiting to a position early, ibig sabihin mataas ang risk mo. Try mo mag-trade. Risk mo, I don't know what you're trading, but if yung risk mo, let's say, nag-risk ka ng, try mo mag-trade, kung nag-trade ka ng futures, try mo mag-trade ng 1 micro. Tingnan mo kung may emotion ka pa doon. Usually, ang failing to hold into a trade is because big size. Yun lang. Kaya nahihirapan ka mag-hold sa trade kasi mataas ang exposure mo. That's all it is. Medyo sketchy lang tong 15-minute just because middle of the range. Pero 5-minute level to. Kapag natapos ko, fund the next challenge, magko-content na rin ako prop firm just like you. 70% win rate ko sa prop firm, nasa 2% pa lang progress. Slow process is the key. Yeah, you don't have to start crazy. Kahit mag-post ka lang ng TikTok na selfie video or something. It's easy to trade kapag wala kang pressure, chat. Always think about that. It's easy to trade when you don't have pressure of having to make money. Tsaka ako, personally, creating content for me helped me become a better trader. So imagine how embarrassing it is to tell people that you will do X, this and that, tapos you will just be an idiot na i-break mo yung sarili mong rules, mga sinabi mo. And I think there's also power in what you say. If you say something, if you speak something, that will manifest. How are you gonna wait till 12 a.m.? I don't know. When I feel like exiting, so far, mental capital wise, I'm still good. I haven't felt any. Usually, nag-i-stop ako when I'm not feeling good already. Right now, I would say out of 100, yung mental capital ko is still at 80%, 90%. I haven't broke any rules. Just hindsight, I wish I could have wider stop in here. But apart from that, I haven't broke any of my rules. Tanong lang, overall ba kumikita ka na rin sa pagko-content ng $1,000? Hindi ako kumikita sa YouTube, Facebook. Kumikita ako on affiliates and I make decent amount on affiliates. Later, papakita ko if we... Let's see what's gonna happen here. Are we going to have a rejection from here? Fortunately, di ako na-fill. I make decent, chat. Like, here, ayan. This is what I make, right? Tagal ko na nagko-content. And affiliate ko, March 2024, $27, 14, 5. Sometimes, biniview lang ninyo, di kayo bumibili using my link. But January 20... Wait lang, malapit ako ma-fill. It's a bit sketchy itong wick candle na to, but hey. Gonna risk the biscuit. Risk the biscuit, chat. See. 84. Just gonna get that 10 points and I'll be happy. Nice 15-minute push. Let's go. Just like that. Diba? Patience pace, chat. 125 times 20. Maybe that is 2.5. Just base it. And yeah, I could be done today and just take those base it for now and no need to worry about it. Yeah, I make decent. Gaya ng sabi ko, January 2025, I make $30, 194, 400, 200. So, but since October, I've been making decent amount, not bad. Kumikita ako ng 100K the past October up to present. So, 100K pesos every month from affiliates. YouTube, wala akong kinikita sa YouTube. It's dog shit. I don't make money on YouTube. Tapos recently, nagkaroon ako ng private Discord. But even that, it's not worth it. $20 per month and ito yung kinita ko since nag-start ako. $200, chat. I have $200 since nag-start ako ng private community. Tapos merong mga iilan nagbayad sa GCash. Siguro nasa 20K din yon. But the amount of time I spent, yeah, it's not worth it currently. mas gusto ko pa rin sa YouTube, but I have obligation, I have responsibility. And there are things na I say to my Discord that I don't say to YouTube just because they are more privileged in those information, and I owe it to them kasi they pay me. Opinion ko lang, price action is the best kapag ganyang lower time frames na 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, just do that. Look at that exit. So, one of those beautiful exit. Top tick. Wasn't greedy or anything. So, ito yung mga trigger ng tilt ko. For instance, one tick, hindi ako na take profit. Let's say, naglong ako dito, tapos one tick away, nag-reverse sa SL ko. Yun yung mga nagtitrigger sa akin. Yun yung mga tipo ng trade na mapapamura talaga ako, tapos kuklose ko na lang yung chart ko. Kano na ba ang kinita ko sa YouTube lifetime? Lifetime na kinita ko sa YouTube. Analytics. Mr. Beast kaya nga, ilan kaya ang lifetime niya na? Lifetime since 2022. Ayan ang lifetime ko sa YouTube, chat. Since 2022, nag-start ako mag-YouTube. Actually, na-create yung YouTube ko. Yan, $670 since nag-start ako. That's how much I made on YouTube. And kailan ba ang unang upload ko? My very first upload was... Very first was... Cringe ang pota. Iron Man trades. What the fuck is this? Ganyan pa dati yung layout ko ng chart. Nakaka-miss daw. Parang ang clean, no? W ba yung gantong chart? Tatlong time frame. Paper trade lang ako na, no? Hindi, capital.com. Live account to, live account. Hindi pa ako nagtitrade ng futures. Indices CFD pa ang gamit ko. Puta, nakaka-cringe. MMXM pa nun yung strategy mostly na ginagawa ko. Ito, paper trade. Alam ko, paper trade.
I got so much drinking me. Wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep. I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to start? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie.
Ginagaya ko si ICT. Cringe ang pota. Nire-record ko yung mga trade ko.
Thousands of times I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time.
Paper trade.
Tell me now if you be really tryna slide.
Makakamiss yung gandong market. ES was trading at 4,000 back then. Ngayon, 6K na. Ginagaya ko pa yung execution ni ICT before. Yun yung first upload ko dati. Yeah. Ay! Taka naman. Tingnan mo to, 2 years ago. Diba? Tingnan mo naman ako dati, 2 years ago.
Trader ka, kailangan everyday na.
Diba? Ayan, setup ko, chat. That was my setup.
People, maybe yung
Tingnan mo yung ngipin ko.
iba for security
May
reasons,
may
because
coin slot machine.
masyadong malaki kinikita nila and ayaw nilang makidnap or something. In general, they just want privacy. So, especially corporate world, ayaw nilang pinag-uusapan yung salary nila for some reason.
Shit. Ito, First futures prop firm ko was... First futures payout was June 8, 2024. So, magto 2 years na and look where I am now. Crazy. Just 2 years ago. First payout ko was $1,000 sa futures.
Well,
June 8.
it's gonna be an exciting day because I will be doing my first payout.
What the
video
fuck,
on this
man?
channel. So,
Crazy.
ng ating payout. Alright, guys.
Ako pa yung nag-edit ng mga video ko back then. Oh, we're having a big D. Big D. Big D candle. Big D candle, what is this? We're having a big D candle, chat. Big D. Big dream. Big dream candle. Big dream candle. Big dream candle, chat. We're having it. Big dream candle. What is this? Should I feel like I should Big dream candle. That was big. That was big, chat. That was big. Merong headline yan for sure. Meron na namang headline kay Trump. I feel it. I feel it. Nag-trade tayo into 30 minutes per value gap up here. So we could trade all the way down again. How old are you now? I'm turning 27 this year. 27. Naabutan ko yan. Kilala kita kay Renter Nil. Maraming trades lang yan kasi marami akong PA, Charmaine. Per one account is one execution. So kung naka-micro ka, lilitaw na maraming trade. Why did you settle sa scalping? Wait, mamaya sagutin ko yung mga tanong niya. I just need to focus right now. Maganda yung volatility. Wait, CR lang din ako. Why did you settle sa scalping? Kasi yung prop firm rules, trailing drawdown, you are forced to scalp, take those 1:1 trades. But I still use ICT concept. It's just that I use different approach depende sa prop firm rules. That's how I play it. Depende sa rules ng firm, ako mag-a-adjust. Tsaka natuto ako kay TBM, like, when you're trading like multiple accounts, you don't need to make much, right? Because imagine this profit itself is 2,500. 2,500 USD. So this is like, if this is a money you can withdraw now, think about it, right? Imagine meron kang 150K on the table right now that you can take. Why not take it? It just feels like it's fake. It's a demo money, right? Kasi nasa screen. But if you put in the perspective, kapag nag-payout ka, this is a lot of money. Lalo na para sa ating mga Pilipino. So, yeah, I've been content with enough, I would say. And there are days na I make a lot, like 18K days, 20K days. But those days are maybe once in a week opportunity, just like today, na na-miss out ko. But it's okay. There will be more days. On Monday, the market is gonna trade. Paano na-handle consistency? Just limit your big days. Honestly, yung consistency rule ngayon kay Apex, it's only 50%. So it's not big of a deal. 50% is not a big deal. Kung 1.5 ang biggest day mo, 3K ang overall profit required. So, hindi big deal ang consistency rule right now kay Apex. Before, nung 30%, medyo mas mahirap. You have to limit your earnings. But yeah, if consistent ka, consistency rule will not matter. In fact, magiging favor siya sa'yo kasi mapo-force ka mag-build ng malaking buffer sa account. Yung Discord ni Mentor Neil, malungkot na. What happened to Mentor Neil? Life happens, chat. Life happens. He's busy, so. It's just busy. Okay lang account ka ba? Payout? Pangalawang PA ko, naka-payout ako. Kasi bago ako nag-trade ng Apex, I was already trading my funded futures back then. If 15% consistency rule sa prop, okay, hindi. Anything below 20 is not. Ang baba na ng 30, anything below that is not okay. Hindi worth it. Might as well trade your own account. Kung 15% yung consistency rule, mas pipiliin ko nang i-trade yung sarili kong capital. Dapat mas mataas. The higher the consistency rule, the better. Gano'n ako nakatagal nagtitrade? Nag-start ako magseryoso with trading 2022. Pero I've been exposed with the market since 2020. 2021. Axie days ako na-expose sa market. Tinitignan ko yung price ng SLP but I was not actively trading. And hindi ko pa alam ang Forex and indices nun. Crypto lang alam ko. And I wish I move out of crypto early. I think cryptocurrency is what holding people back. Especially mga Pilipino because they see it crypto as get rich quick. If merong mas magandang asset to trade, why would you trade crypto? Right? Crypto is good at higher time frame, but anything below 1 hour, I think you're just doing yourself disservice. How tight your stop? 12 points. Ayan. From here, dito yung stop loss ko. Ganda ng 5 minutes ni ES. Nag-respect yung 5 minutes level niya. Then we pump. Tingnan niyo yung 5 minutes ni ES. Sakto siya dun sa news. Got 5 minutes on the ES. Ganda ng closure. Then we move higher. Possible tayo mag-trade into dito. 75%. Opening gap. ES, I think possible dun sa level na yun. I like the fact na yung market is moving well right now. I'm willing to take bets. Yeah. Prop is the way. Problem is kapag, yeah, it's not good to trade personal account kung hindi ka pa consistent. Prop firm is the key. Tsaka wag pilitin yung asset na hindi nag-work. I don't think crypto is the most efficient market to trade. Kahit na pangit ang price action lately sa indices, I would choose indices any day compared to Forex. Willing ako to take a short in here. Gonna have a tight stop. Dito sa inefficiency na to. Maganda din ako mag-BBE dito. Break even early, most probably. Pag di ako na-feel dito sa candle na to, wow. Wow. Wow, bro. Di nyo pala nakikita, chat. That was annoying. Di ako na-feel doon. Wala na. Di ako na-feel, oh. One tick. Di ako na-feel ng one tick tas punta sa tipi ko. That was unfortunate. It's okay. I'm gonna wait. I like the PA. I'm willing to stay a bit longer today. So yung price action right now. Ano kaya yung headline kanina? White House are cautious. Ito. Ito yung news. White House officials are cautiously hopeful that the latest negotiation with Iran are making progress. Oh. Are making progress? Tas mamaya niyan, sasabihin nila may bomba. Iran just bombed. Magda-dump na naman ang market. Okay, just waiting. Oh man. Close eye above this. But I don't trust it yet. I don't trust this pump. Anong site ka tumitingin ng news? Financial Juice. Financial Juice sa mga news na hindi announce. Willing to stay hanggang 12:10 today, chat. It's the last day of the week. Might as well finish it a bit late. Nice rejection. I wish I could have still taken it. Dito yung gusto ko kanina. Went down till 78. So that was 30 points. 30 or 20? Yeah, 30 points. That was crazy. I wish I did take it. When hour, di pa tayo nagko-close. 30 minutes, we're trading into this inefficiency. So pwedeng, wick outside of this fair value gap. So pwede tayo mag-close all the way down, right? Looking at higher time frame right now, possible pa rin tayo mag-trade sa downside. Wala consistency rule sa Apex? Meron pa. Meron din. Gusto ko pa rin yung short. Nothing has changed. Higher time frame wise, tingnan mo yung trend. It's going down. Not expecting full reversal here. Alright? Gusto ko pa rin yung downside. To me, that's just a manipulation sa upside before the down move. Kikreate tayo ng 5-minute gap. I want to see how this 5-minute gap will be respected. So, makita siya mag-trade all the way down here again. Dito sa baba. I don't want to see this 5-minute gap be respected. So, siya mag-trade all the way down here. $30 minutes, bearish. 1 hour, bearish. I want to see the market trade below this level again. Dito, gusto ko siya makitang bumalik dito. I just need a good entry here. To-take out na natin low na to. Damn, this is where I was trying to short earlier. Exactly up here. Now we move down from this, like 77. So siya mag-trade all the way down here. Damn, mukhang babagsak lang to without me. This is annoying for sure. Fuck. Solid. Fuck, nawawalan ako net. Gusto ko siya ano. Gusto ko siya makita mag-trade ng ganito. Invert this level. But kapag nag-ano tayo dito, if na-reclaim to, nag-close tayo here, we're likely going to trade to this level. Pero kung tatanungin, mas gusto ko siyang ano. Gusto ko siyang mag-respect dito. Crude oil still pushing higher. Like the volatility. Gusto ko dito yung fact na may 30 minutes bearish gap, may 1 hour bearish gap here. In terms of 5 minute and 15 minutes, hindi pa ako ganun ka satisfied, kaya ayaw akong mag-engage. $30 minutes and 1 hour is good. Issue is yung 15 minutes lower isn't the best. Nag-top siya sa dito one time. Gusto ko makita tong low na to na ma-take out. Kasi kung magiging bullish to, kung bullish to, gusto ko magkaroon ng SMT here. Yung ES hindi niya tinake yung low. Kung sanang yung ES tinake niya tong low, mas magiging bullish ako right now. Kaso pareho silang hindi nag-take ng low. Yung YM, hindi rin siya nag-take ng low. So YM, feeling ko, iti-take niya yung buy side ng 930. 930 high, yung opening ng market. Kaya mamatay ng ano ko. Key light. How do you plan on risking end of the eval, bro? Half of daily loss limit, $500. Not going to be risking all of that. Kung may end of day ako, yun yung gagawin ko. I would risk the half of it. Gusto ko tong short, pero ewan ko, nagdadalawang isip ako. Short ako overall eh. I haven't changed my bias yet. Pero may tendency na i-revisit natin tong 930 high. Nag-trade siya in the lowest portion of this inversion. Pero 1 hour niya kasi is still bearish. This trend is still bearish. Gumagamit ka ng CISD, IFVG? Very rare. Very rare ako mag-execute based on CISD and IFVG. Usually talaga gusto ko is for value gaps. Very rare ako mag-execute based on CISD. Right, we're pushing. Looks like we're gonna push higher. Gusto ko tong invalidation for longs. To level na to. I'm just wondering if we can get one more swipe down. Kahit dito na lang yung SMT. Kasi we have micro for value gap here. That was respected. Gusto ko tong invalidation. Like, not gonna lie. Like, even this long is good in my opinion. Tapos, trade above this high. Pero wala lang siyang good confirmation. It has good invalidation. Pero hindi ganun kaganda yung ano. Gusto ko tong ilong, like, even just so matagal tong trade na to eh. Tsaka against the higher time frame. Against the 1 hour, pero I'm not opposed to this idea. Wait lang. Gusto ko makita ng SMT para mas maging confident ako in this. Medyo ano ako dito, 50-50, pero gun to my head, mas gusto ko yung long at the moment. Gusto ko tong invalidation na to just because we form a fair value gap in it. Tingnan ko lang kung anong say ng anong say ng ES, and ito yung nag-aalangan sa akin, 1 hour tsaka 30 minutes. Ganda ng closure. Ayoko get caught in the noise, pero I feel like this could be a long here. Good retracement, tas good invalidation. Wala lang siyang good entry level in my opinion, but I feel like it could work. Bago lang audit. Okay lang, payout ka na sa Apex, more than 100. What do you think scalping trend lines? Never tried it? It's up to you if you want to try it. Full-time trader ka? No, I'm not. I make a lot of money from my work, so no reason for me to go full-time. I make more sa trading, but the amount of money I make sa work is a lot. Damn, what am I gonna do? Natatakot lang ako sa mixed reviews. Yeah, it's common. Mahirap kasi ang rules ni Apex before, and people don't understand how their rules operate.
From here.
The people who are breaking rules are the ones barking the most.
Stormy.
Ano field of work ko? Prop firm. I work with prop firms. Customer support. Customer support is the best job you can do in the Philippines. You be chilling 8 hours, you get paid in USD. Just do your best and yeah, scale through trading, through other means. Ayoko nga. Gusto ko mag-long dito. Nagkaroon na tayo ng SMT. So I feel like I'm just forcing it. Man. Di gumagalaw yung ano ngayon, no? Very weird. Di gumagalaw yung NQ, and itong ES is moving a bit pretty odd as well. So dito gusto ko mag-long pero ewan ko lang. Di ako ma-convince. Gusto ko tong long na to because we had an SMT, like buy side, pero yung 1 hour and 30 minutes is holding me back. This is a good trade in my opinion. It has a good invalidation. So, feeling ko matatrap ako sa noise. Solid oh. Itong YM nagda-dump. Itong ano ayaw mag-dump. NQ.
Order filled.
Grabe. Ayaw gumalaw ni NQ here. Pag wala akong nakita within the next 10 minutes chat, I'm just gonna call it a day. Take my $100 and be done. $12 candle. Ito pa yung 1 minute ni ES. Trade siya dito sa 1 minute. Then, trade into this 1 minute for value gap. Clean yung pagka-downside niya compare kay NQ. Sa NQ, it's hesitating. BPR tayo dito. Kay ES. May SMT na tayo. Bullish SMT. Mas maganda sana ako nag-take yung NQ ng low here. Tapos hindi siya nag-take ng low dito. Mas magiging convinced ako sa bullishness. Last 7 minutes chat. If I didn't see something, I'm gonna call it a day. The 5 minutes of BGCES right now. We could trade into this 5 minutes gap. Pag na-invert ni ES ito, this market is gonna go straight up. Pag itong ES na to, na-invert niya to, we're gonna trade above here. Nice close. Dito. Continue selling off. Trade tayo sa OB ni ES. Walang momentum sa upside. Nag-aantay ako ng pushback up eh. Nag-aantay ako ng magandang trade higher confirmation para mag-engage sa longs. Something like this is what I'm interested at. I think I might use this as CISD. Pag nag-trade tayo above here, gagamitin ko to as CISD. Nasa discount level tayo kay ES right now. So wala. Wala talagang momentum sa upside. Alright. Guess I'm gonna call it a day. Alright, chat. I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm up 125 per account, so 25 USD. Not bad. Could have been better. I think the price action has a lot to offer today. I'm not sure if I'm not going to trade post-stream, but if I will do, magpapahinga muna ako. But I would say this price action has been good. It's been moving a lot compared to other days. I like this PA better. So yeah, good luck sa inyo if you guys plan to trade continuously. I'm taking an off for now, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys inside my Discord if you want to buy some account next week. Wait for a discount, chat. Wait for a discount before you buy any accounts. Tapos, yeah, just join my Discord if you have any questions. Yeah, feel free to tag me on Discord. Calling it a day here. Not sure if magta-take pa ako ng trade. If I do, I'll let you guys know. But for now, I've been here long enough already. It's been 3 hours. So yeah, guys, GG. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have an amazing week, and Yeah, take care. Peace out, guys. GG. Thank you. Sayonara, everybody.